The depletion layer in a reverse biased p-n junction is due to the presence of a. Electrons, b. Holes, c. Both electrons and holes, d. Immobile ions. The correct answer is immobile ions. Which materials find application in maser? A. Diamagnetic, b. Paramagnetic, c. Ferromagnetic, d. Ferrimagnetic. The correct answer is diamagnetic. An electrically neutral semiconductor has a. No free charges, b. No majority carriers, c. No minority carriers, d. Equal number of positive and negative charges. The correct answer is equal number of positive and negative charges. Magnetic recording tape is most commonly made from a. Small particles of iron, b. Silicon iron, c. Ferric oxide, d. Silver nitrate. The correct answer is ferric oxide. The circuit shown in the figure is best described as a. Bridge rectifier, b. Ring modulator, c. Frequency discriminator, d. Voltage doubler. The correct answer is voltage doubler. Gold is often diffused into silicon p-n junction devices to a. Increase recombination rate, b. Reduce recombination rate, c. Make silicon a direct gap semiconductor, d. Make silicon semimetal. The correct answer is reduce recombination rate. In a solar cell, the photovoltaic voltages is the voltage at which the resultant current is a. Positive, b. Zero, c. Negative, d. Rated current. The correct answer is zero. The forbidden energy gap between the valence band and conduction band will be wide in case of a. Semiconductors, b. All metals, c. Good conductors of electricity, d. Insulators. The correct answer is insulators. At 0K, the forbidden energy gap in intrinsic semiconductor is about a. 10 eV, b. 6 eV, c. 1 eV, d. 0.2 eV. The correct answer is 1 eV. The resistance of a metallic wire would a. Increase as the operating frequency increase, b. Decrease as the operating frequency increase, c. Remain unaffected on increasing the operating frequency, d. First increase then decrease. The correct answer is decrease as the operating frequency increase. Before doping, the semiconductor material is a. Dehydrated, b. Heated, c. Hardened, d. Purified. The correct answer is purified. The atomic number of silicon is 14. It can be therefore concluded that a silicon atom contains 14 protons, b. A silicon atom contains 14 neutrons, c. A silicon atom contains 14 electrons, d. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. X-rays cannot penetrate through a thick sheet of a. Wood, b. Paper, c. Lead, d. Aluminium. The correct answer is lead. Ohmic range of metal film resistors is a. 1 to 100 ohms, b. 10 to 1 k ohms, c. 100 to 1 m ohms, d. 100 to 100 m ohms. The correct answer is 100 to 1 m ohms. The current density J, free electron mobility N, hole mobility P, magnitude of free electron and hole concentration Ni, electric field E, and charge on electron E in intrinsic semiconductor are related as Aj and Pnie, Bj, Cj, Dj. The correct answer is J and Pnie. In order to achieve good stabilization in potential divider method, current I1 through R1 and R2 should be A I120 IB, B I115 IB, C. I15 IB. D. I110 IB. The correct answer is I110 IB. A sample of N-type semiconductor has electron density of 6.25 x 10^8 cm 2 at 300 K. If the intrinsic concentration of carriers in this sample is 2.5 x 10^13 cm 3 at this temperature, the hole density works out to be A. 10^6 cm 3, B. 10^8 cm 3, C. 10^10 cm 3, D. 10L2 cm 3. The correct answer is 10^8 cm 3. Addition of 0.3 to 3.5 silicon to iron. A. Increases the electrical resistivity of iron. B. Decreases the electrical resistivity of iron. C. Does not change electrical resistivity of iron. D. Silicon can't be added with iron. The correct answer is increases the electrical resistivity of iron. A bistable multivibrator. A has no stable state. B has one stable state. C has two stable state. D. None of the above. The correct answer is has two stable state. Transconductance indicates the A. Control of output voltage by input voltage. B. Control of output current by input voltage. C. Control of input voltage by output current. D. Control of input current by input voltage. The correct answer is control of output current by input voltage. In N-channel JFET, the gate voltage is made more negative. A. The channel width will increase. B. The channel width will decrease. C. The channel width and drain current will decrease. D. The channel width will decrease and drain current will increase. The correct answer is the channel width and drain current will decrease. Metals approach superconductivity conditions. A. Near absolute zero temperature. B. Near critical temperature. C. At triple point. D. Under the conditions of high temperature and pressure. The correct answer is near absolute zero temperature. The phenomenon known as early effect in ABJT refers to a reduction of the effective base width caused by A. Electron-hole recombination at the base. B. Reverse biasing of the base collector junction. C. Forward biasing of emitter base junction. D. The early removal of stored base charge during saturation to cut-off switching. The correct answer is reverse biasing of the base collector junction. At absolute zero temperature, a semiconductor behaves like A. An insulator. B. A superconductor. C. A good conductor. D. A variable resistor. The correct answer is an insulator. In a 741 op-amp there is 20 dB decade fall off starting at a relatively low frequency. This is due to A. Applied load. B. Internal compensation. C. Impedance of the source. D. Power dissipation in the chip. The correct answer is power dissipation in the chip. Which of the following material can be used in cable shields? A. Copper. B. Aluminium. C. Cast iron. D. Lead. The correct answer is lead. The charge of an electron is A. 1.6 x 1017 coulomb. B. 1.6 x 1019 coulomb. C. 1.6 x 1021 coulomb. D. 1.6 x 1023 coulomb. The correct answer is 1.6 x 1019 coulomb. The on voltage and forward breakover voltage of an SCR depend on A. Gate current alone. B. Band gap of semiconductor alone. C. Gate current and semiconductor band gap respectively. D. Semiconductor band gap and gate current respectively. The correct answer is semiconductor band gap and gate current respectively. e.g. for silicon is 1.12 eV and that for germanium is 0.72 eV. Therefore it can be concluded that the conductivity of silicon will be less than that of germanium at room temperature. B. The conductivity of silicon will be more than that of germanium at room temperature. C. The conductivity of 2 will be same at 60 C. D. The conductivity of 2 will be same at 100 C. The correct answer is the conductivity of silicon will be less than that of germanium at room temperature. Typical value of reverse current in a semiconductor diode is A1A, B 0.1A, C 1A, D 0.1A. The correct answer is 0.1A. Which of the following element has 4 valence electrons? A. Silicon, B. Germanium, C. Both A and B above, D. None of the above. The correct answer is both A and B above. In a transistor operating in forward active mode, a depletion layer between emitter and base is thin and that between base and collector is also thin. B. Both depletion regions are thick. C. Depletion layer between emitter and base is thin and that between base and collector is thick. D. Depletion layer between emitter and base is thick and that between base and collector is thin. The correct answer is depletion layer between emitter and base is thin and that between base and collector is thick. In standard TTL, the totem pole stage refers to A. The multi-emitter IP stage, B. Phase splitter, C. The OP buffer, D. Open collector OP stage. The correct answer is the OP buffer. In p-type semiconductor, the hole concentration A is nearly equal to density of acceptor atoms. B is much greater than density of acceptor atoms. C is much less than density of acceptor atoms. D may be equal to or more or less than density of acceptor atoms. The correct answer is nearly equal to density of acceptor atoms. If 100 V is the peak voltage across the secondary of the transformer in a half-wave rectifier without any filter circuit, then the maximum voltage on the reverse biased diode is A. 200 V, B. 141.4 V, C. 100 V, D. 86 V. The correct answer is 141.4 V. The OP power of a power amplifier is several times its input power. It is possible because A. Power amplifier introduces a VE resistance. B. There is VE feedback in the circuit. C. Step-up transformer is used in the circuit. D. Power amplifier converts a part of IP-DC power into AC power. The correct answer is power amplifier converts a part of IP-DC power into AC power. In p-type semiconductor, holes are majority carriers. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. Due to the formation of Schottky defects, the density of the crystal A. increases slightly, B. increases appreciably, C. decreases slightly, D. decreases appreciably. The correct answer is decreases slightly. The band gap of silicon at 300 K is A. 1.36 eV, B. 1.10 eV, C. 0.80 eV, D. 0.67 eV. The correct answer is 1.10 eV. The current due to thermionic emission is given by Richardson-Dushman equation. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. The thermionic emission current is given by A. Fermi-Dirac distribution, B. Maxwell's equation, C. Richardson-Dushman equation, D. Langmuir-Child law. The correct answer is Richardson-Dushman equation. In forward active region, the operation of A, B, J, T. A. Both junctions are forward biased. B. Both junctions are reverse biased. C. Emitter base junction is forward biased and base collector junction is reverse biased. D. Emitter base junction is reverse biased and base collector junction is reverse biased. The correct answer is emitter base junction is forward biased and base collector junction is reverse biased. The conductivity of a semiconductor crystal due to any current carrier is not proportional to A. Mobility of the carrier. B. Effective density of states in the conduction band. C. Electronic charge. D. Surface states in the semiconductor. The correct answer is mobility of the carrier. A. P-N junction diode dynamic conductance is directly proportional to A. The applied voltage. B. The temperature. C. Its current. D. Thermal voltage. The correct answer is its current. The Ni-ZN ferrites are used for audio and TV transformers is that A. They have large saturation magnetization. B. They are easy to fabricate by rolling. C. They are free from pores and voids. D. They have high electroresistivity. The correct answer is they have large saturation magnetization. Hall's effect can be used to measure A. Magnetic field intensity. B. Average number of holes. C. Carrier's concentration. D. Electrostatic field intensity. The correct answer is magnetic field intensity. For insulators, the energy gap is of the order of A. 0.1 eV. B. 0.7 eV. C. 1.1 eV to 1.2 eV. D. 5 to 15 eV. The correct answer is 5 to 15 eV. When electronic emission occurs due to bombardment of high-velocity electrons on a metal surface, it is called secondary emission. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The reverse saturation current depends on the reverse bias. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false.